Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable location access on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best result, come back with settings, go ahead and open that up. And then going down, you want to select the privacy tile. And on the left panel underneath app permissions, select location. Where it says location for this device is off, go ahead and select change, and then you can just turn it to the on position, and that's all you have to do. And you can also do that as well for your location settings as well for apps. It's not just for your device, but for apps as well. So, like I said, pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.